Jesus, it's your child. As I stand here at the edge of 2026, I come to you openly, honestly, and vulnerably. I want to step into this new year differently, with more peace, more clarity, more trust, and more of you guiding every step I take. I don't want to carry the burdens of the past with me. I want to hand everything over to you. The fears, the doubts, the hurts, the regrets, the uncertainty, all of it. I know you see it all anyway, and you never turn away. Jesus, I thank you for walking with me through the past year. Even when I couldn't see a way forward, you never left me. Even when I felt weak, you lifted me. Even when I was lost, you guided me. Even when I stumbled, you caught me. Thank you for sustaining me, for protecting me, and for showing me glimpses of hope when I needed it most. Thank you for the unseen blessings, the quiet miracles, and the moments of grace that I often overlooked. Before I step into 2026, Jesus, I ask you to take everything I've been holding on to unnecessarily. Take the guilt I carry. Take the regret I replay in my mind. Take the anxiety that steals my peace. Take the sorrow I've hidden from others. Take the fear of failure, the fear of the unknown, the fear of not being enough. I hand it all to you now, trusting you will replace it with peace, clarity, hope, and courage. Jesus, guide my heart in 2026. Help me discern the people and situations that will lift me and let go of the ones that drain me. Teach me to love wisely, to protect my energy, and to invest in what aligns with your purpose for me. Help me to forgive, not just others, but myself, for the times I fell short, for the mistakes I made, and for the moments I didn't fully trust you. Let your love heal the parts of me that are still hurting and guide me toward wholeness. Strengthen my mind, Jesus. Silence the doubts, the overthinking, and the mental noise that keeps me restless. Fill me with clarity, focus, and the wisdom to make decisions that reflect your plan. Teach me to pause and listen for your voice before acting, to trust the timing you orchestrate, and to rely on your guidance above my own understanding. Bless my body, Jesus. Give me health, energy, and resilience. Help me care for myself without guilt, to honor the temple you have given me. Keep me strong when challenges come, and teach me the balance between effort and rest. Let my body reflect the peace and vitality that come from walking with you. Bless my spirit, Jesus. Fill me with unwavering faith, with courage to face the unknown, with hope that grows even in uncertainty. Teach me to stay grounded in your presence, to remain calm in storms, and to rise above fear. Let your peace become the center of my being so that no circumstance can shake me. Guide my work, my creativity, my ambitions, and my dreams. Let the plans I pursue align with your purpose. Open doors that are meant for me, close doors that will distract or harm me, and give me discernment to recognize the opportunities you place in my path. Help me step into 2026 with confidence, knowing you are leading me toward success in the ways you intend. Bless my relationships, Jesus. Bring people into my life who uplift me, challenge me in the right ways, and walk with me in integrity and love. Help me nurture bonds that honor you and release connections that no longer serve my highest good. Let my words, actions, and presence reflect your love, patience, and wisdom. Protect me, Jesus. Shield me from harm, negative energy, and situations that threaten my peace. Guide me away from choices that would lead me astray, and keep me aligned with your will in every area of my life. Let your presence be my safe place in every moment. Jesus, as I step into this new year, I surrender my entire life to you. Every plan, every hope, every fear, every dream, every challenge, I place it in your hands. I trust that you are orchestrating everything for my highest good, that your timing is perfect, and that your love will guide me in every moment. Let 2026 be a year of transformation, growth, healing, and blessings. A year where I rise above my fears, embrace my purpose, and walk in the fullness of your grace. A year where my heart, mind, body, and spirit are aligned with your plan. A year where your presence is my constant guide, my refuge, and my source of strength. Jesus, I step into this new year with faith, hope, and gratitude. I trust you to lead me, protect me, guide me, and bless me in every moment. I know that with you, nothing is impossible, and every challenge can be transformed into a testimony of your love and faithfulness. Amen.